liking it at all. I am cracking up.
Oh, Christian. Look at Christian. You gotta get over, Christian.
Let your brother get in.
What was that?
I don't know. Somebody having a problem with this brake. I gotta take over the car and get it tuned up. Because my car used to go fast.
Man, I eat Scat packs. Them things is like snacks.
Okay.
Too heavy, boy. Auntie said, come on, go. Where are you going, Christian?
Oh, he going somewhere else. Where is he letting you go? And you know the police heard both of y'all, right?
Yeah.
I thought he was letting you
Man, I like me some Scat packs. Come on. Nah, cause Mopar, bro. Hey, I still respect Mopar. You got a Hellcat for sure, but them Scats and everything, bro. If you ain't pro-charged or look, look.
You scared? You scared?
Oh, he got a Hellcat. That's crazy.
Letting them know what's up. What's up? I'm surprised Kim ain't threw his hands up. What's up, nigga? Not a whole lot, Kim. Just a little bit.
Dude.
Oh, him too?
Come on.
Him too? Him too?
Yeah.
Okay. And he's a packer. That's a little bit.
Nah, you tweaking, cuz. I guess he chilling.
Okay, that's cool.
But yeah, I had to turn the camera on because I didn't know what he was on.
That was so sweet.
Auntie said that was so.
Yes, you act like your grandma.
Man. Oh, look. Let me hear some. Let me hear some. Yeah, slow that slow. Let me.
Your brother behind you.
Yeah, I know. He followed me. Alright, y'all, but I hope y'all enjoyed that little. Well, now we about to hit traffic anyway, but that was just, you know, I wanted to see what he was on. Because people.
You want to see what he was working
Yeah,
with?
what you working with? I know the Sapphire is, you know, I know every car, so I know exactly what you working with. The thing is, he weighed almost 4,500 pounds. So he's cooked already. Can't get traction. But it's cool. But yeah, I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Y'all stay up. Y'all stay blessed.